Same. Bro, Jeffoy messaged me earlier, he said, fight after reset. I'm like, nah, dude. It's fucking full mass with Gucci people. Cannot.
Pantay ako dyan, Mugi, sa mapa.
Yeah, listen, everybody hold Northeast. Yo, listen. I'm gonna go Gold Castle or fight Sunset, okay? I'm still waiting for Sunset reply.
9 minutes, OC.
I think, right, here's what I'm gonna do probably, Kajax. I think I'll take Lake Terry, 14 UTC Terry, right? Because Obre wants that Terry. So we can defend it, Maybe defends Terry for the first time this season. I hope, dude. I hope. 12 UTC. Okay. Listen up, okay, Zone Ortiz. Yeah, listen up. So here's the plan, okay, for the remainder of the season. This Pobre Alliance created another sub-alliance, also to fuck with us and to fuck with, what I'm trying to do. Okay, these two shitters, they formed like two alliances. So now, we will fight them 06, I think 06, is it 06? 06, 12, 14. Okay? Those three timers. 06, definitely there's no Griffin Empire and we mass bigger than them. So let's just see how, if we can win 06 early. But most likely 12 and 14 is gonna be big fight against them. Okay? The only thing saving them is their numbers. Fucking Griffin Empire. But damn, I need to see the vote of the people that died first engaged there. It's a bit crazy, man. Zone. You listen, everybody get extra food, get hammers. Okay, we go castle now. Not sure which castle, just check out. Yo, 6-0 Kajax, I think we bank MR. I think we fight SSR castle. Sunset. We're playing full melee, so I think SSR much better to take, They go defensive because we're bigger than them. Noi, are you here, Noi?
Yeah.
Can you go 1 under Arcane? Are you able to switch? Are you def tank? Yeah. You're BMS. Never mind. Stay BMS. BMS is fine already. Yeah, listen, we're gonna siege castle. Can my supports communicate who's gonna hammer it down and just, spam guard rune? Oh my god, yung inatune ko na weapon na wala agad. Depression. Mori, palitan mo ng basi yan. Hiram ka kay Chrono. Palitan mo ng basi. Hindi ko, okay lang sana pero hindi ko re-rest na mapuntahan tayo ng AR. Mahirap pag napuntahan tayo ng AR.
Nag-chat yung
Anong
AR
basi? Yung Venom?
Nag-chat yung
Sino
taga Allrise sa akin. Sabi ko secret.
No, I already told their caller that I'm not gonna, fight them. You'll get extra set. We bank in MR. Just 1+1. This 1+1 should be fine. Extra set. I think I did probably A are like fucking big right now, man. There's like no point fighting them. Everybody hold southwest when you're ready. Marlika, wake up. Extra set, 1+1.
Venom no Mugi.
Venom, yeah. Yung command mami pa-drop sa dito sa crate ko. Dito sa west side na crate, Mori. Etong crate dito. Drop mo lang yung command dyan.
Saan west side?
Dito, sa tabi ng elevator.
Ah, okay.
Crate ko.
Ayan. Kita mo?
Thank you. Everybody get ready. We bank in MR, we bank in MR. Wake up, wake up.
Yo, bring set ah.
Set's
bring extra set.
37%.
Nabasag yung
Yeah,
weapon mo, Mogi?
Make sure you guys have hammers. Hindi, namatay ako.
Ah,
Everybody zone. Zone out. Come southeast. Come southeast. Southeast much faster. Come southeast.
Lumilindol dito sa amin.
Yun lang. Ayan, namugi.
Ako.
San lumilindol?
Dito sa Cebu. Tangina.
Nako.
Parang every 10.
Mga Bisaya na naman yung
Laging
pinaparusahan. Tara, come southeast guys. Come southeast.
Makakapagantay ang lindol.
Lindol.
Wala man sa Blapo.
Fucking earthquake again. Oh my god. Don't worry guys. I promise. Yeah, GGG. I promise you guys that I would call even if it's earthquaking, you know. Let's go.
Basta gralinog ba?
Much important.
much important things to do. We are on zone southeast. Just
Huwag
pop
nyo
your
nakalimutan.
clerical or
Lang.
your gigapots. Yeah. You know, y'all should be fine, man.
Yung ano?
But yeah, if you have guard rune below you
Wala,
guys,
kasi
you're not
wala
gonna
ulit.
move, right? So yeah. That's smart.
Wala.
Play guard rune.
Sa dulo hindi lang ko eh.
Namatay, ano lang. Regear lang.
Yeah, listen, be careful, okay? Listen, we're sieging Terry with majority full melee comp, right? We're sieging a very melee castle.
Di ba yun yung bida?
The only thing we need to do is smash both gates and just walk in and
Diba?
start, annihilating the enemy inside.
Ayun,
But as much as possible, please, less casualties
Oo.
while smashing
Tama.
the gates. The faster we smash the gates, the faster
tama.
we win inside. Because we're playing full
Wait
melee.
lang, dahil.
If they have a range bomb, right,
Oh,
and
yun,
then
tama.
we're already inside, it can't do much. People that die again with first engage without, without you popping any of your fucking defenses. No regear for you guys. I'm starting to implement that now, so that, less stupidity.
Nasa kayo?
Going SS, going on castle, no? I mean, sorry, going MR, banking in MR.
Alam ko parang may off sa kanya pero parang wala na akong maalala tungkol sa kanya nung alit.
So ano,
Pero
Mori,
lagi
ikaw
ko
na ba
siyang
yung
ka-group.
dedicated mommy rider ko?
Ayun. Why not?
Regear niya daw pag namatay siya.
Damn.
Marami naman yan.
I've been looking for a dedicated, mommy rider, but hindi pwede bigay sa Bisaya eh. Mahirap eh. Yung isa yung kay Daddy B pa lang po, tangina, lag ako.
Kay daddy mo ibigay.
Ay, ako na yata.
Sinasabi ni Daddy B kanina, ready siya, pero wala akong nakikitang clamp. Tataka ako eh.
Ako na yan. Dadalhin ko sa, sa Carlian, pan-transport.
Everybody's on notice. Wala kang carry weight yan eh. Elite lang. Yeah, listen, bank your sets at home. You make sure you guys have hammers.
Yo, set home.
Make sure you guys have hammers. Set home. Don't forget to set home. Yeah, listen, everybody hold northeast when you're ready. Marlika, everybody hold northeast when you're ready. There's no defensives. While we're walking in, remember that we should have demons rotating while walking in,
Tumatakbo
especially
na
if
ako,
enemies like walking in inside of us. We need to have demons while walking in. Cannot have no demons walking in. Malika, everybody hold notice now. Wake up. Yo, Kajax, Yupay, Jaxi, you guys ready? What do you mean, Kajak? Okay. Just hold any then. Yo, make sure you guys have hammers, okay? We're smashing. We're still doing 2 engages. Listen, we're still doing 2 engages. Remember, engage on the crown always. The earth runes, just clump it towards the crown. Much easier that way. Unless I say a certain, like, let's say by the wall, engage by the wall, by the chest, engage by the chest, that's it. Everybody hold northeast now. Yeah, everybody zone in, let's go. Come northwest.
Andun na sunset, di ba, Mugi?
Yeah.
Oh, andito na sila.
Oh, finally Sunset's back. They've been AFK for a long time, man. Just because of the festival.
37 damage.
Everybody hold
Wait.
northwest now.
Moy, do you want me to pull Black Pearl with us?
I mean, whatever is fine, man. But Griffin Empire
Fine.
and Black Pearl are allies. Everybody zone in. They won't just switch sides, man.
I would have to
Yo,
ask him.
come
no?
southwest.
Yeah, beef with CG.
Come southwest. Yo, watch front line. Are they stepping out? No? Maybe? Yes? Give me a mic.
No, wala.
Sa loob ng
I ever come north side of Castle Fast. Yeah, listen, I need my front line to be careful. They might engage outside of Castle really fast, okay?
Guys, you can.
The
you
goal
can
is
defense
to smash. The goal is to smash without any casualties. Dismount when you see me.
May ganker. May ganker.
Dismount when you see me. Dismount when you see me.
Dismount
Mugi. Ay, saan Mugi? Ay, saan Mugi?
Kapag late kayo, huwag kayong matay kayo sa ganker.
Yo, listen, food up. Food up OC. Yo, clear the mobs. Watch the front line, please. Yo, catch that guy. Hello, maniga. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside. Oh my goodness. Catch him first. Kill this guy. Careful front line. Yo, kill the mobs inside, kill the mobs.
Mga late, NV kayo, may ganker.
Yo, listen, start smashing. Yo, battle mounts up front, please. Start smashing up front. Careful front line, WPZ main caller, okay? WPZ main caller. Careful.
Yo, ice in front.
Yo, smash. Yo, careful for bomb squad, please. Careful for bomb squad. Joker also a bomb squad. I'm marking Joker also, okay? They have one right now. They have one melee bomb. I see one melee bomb. I don't know if they have range. Be careful over the wall, please. Careful.
They're looking. They have shaper.
WPZ looking. Wait, hold, careful. Yeah, listen. My party only, okay? My party shallow on the gate only. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah,
1.
I see
My party
front.
shallow gate. Come back fast.
They're looking.
Defenses, everyone, southeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Shallow on gate. Come back fast.
Yo, come back.
Yo, come back fast.
Yo, heal in front.
Hold. Chill, we don't have defenses. Careful for bomb.
They have
Careful for
shaper.
bomb squad. Oh, listen, come any. Yo, come any. Yo, I'm gonna switch side. I'm gonna bonk sa other side. Come any. Any. Careful.
Yo, careful
watch
over the
gate.
wall.
Watch the gate if they come out. Come any.
They have shaper.
Careful backline. You spread northeast side here. Continue smashing.
Yo, ice in front.
Defend shallow.
They're looking. Yo, sino yung ramp na yon?
Guardian CD din.
Engage lang kayo magdadrop ng ramp.
Yo, listen DPS, we do one engage. Get ready to, yo, listen.
Yo,
Do. Everyone get ready, southwest, okay? Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest now. I come back.
Get ready. Not yet.
Come back out. Careful
Heal
front
in
line.
front.
Yeah, step southwest. Walk southwest.
Yo,
Walk
walk.
southwest. Tank them. You ready defenses? WPC looking deep. You ready? Potion. Full defend. Walk in. Deep southwest on the gate. Deep southwest on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest on the gate. Gate.
Yeah, we're on the southwest.
Now
We're on the
listen.
southwest.
Take space north. Spread. Tanks hold
spread
them.
out, spread
Tanks,
out,
careful Tanks hold the gate southeast. Careful. Watch inside.
WPC luwing ah.
They're looking.
Ready defenses inside. You're 2 clump up north. Ready defenses north. They're looking.
Not yet.
They're looking deep. Ready. Full depend deep.
Not yet.
Heal up. Nice. Everyone walks
No,
out.
no,
Everyone
no,
walks
no,
out
no,
now.
no,
Everyone walks
no,
out.
no,
Walks
no,
southeast on the gate. Southeast 5. Everything 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast gate.
Keep peeling inside.
Nice. Now spread. Yo, listen. D-clump. Get out of the fucking chokes and
Yo,
kill
don't stay
everything
on the
inside.
gate.
Get out of the chokes and kill everything
Yo,
inside. Yo,
spread
listen,
out, spread out.
Start smashing gates. Careful up front. Yo, tanks, watch the southwest gate also, please. They have a bomb there. I think Dark Grin, maybe? Or somebody else. Spread.
Oh, yung mga ramp. Sa engage lang kayo mag-drop.
Careful front line.
Kanina pa kayo nagda-drop ng engage ng kalaban. Engage natin. Hindi sa
Yo,
kalaban.
smash both gates. Listen, yo, ready defenses, okay?
Offensive ang ramps natin.
Yo, Marlica, get ready to headbutt on the gate, okay? Watch the gate.
One engage pa rin mo eh.
Yeah, one engage.
Yo, eyes on the gate. East gate, ah.
You're just gonna hear me like, you
Yo.
know, yo, hold first. Yo, smash the other gate.
Engage natin.
Careful over
Hindi
the wall.
engage na kalaban, ha?
Yo, get ready. Yo, bomb squads, get ready. I'm gonna clear guards first, okay? Yo, clear guards first. Yo, tell me the bomb squads go deep. Careful, ah. Careful.
Yo, we're inside na.
Hold on.
We're inside.
Listen, kill the guards first. Kill the guards here. Careful, ah. Watch the front
Yo, spread
line.
out,
Take
spread
space
out
only,
here,
take
spread
space
out
only,
here.
Kill the guards. Tanks, watch the choke, please. Get ready to hold them. Kill the guards.
Careful over the wall, baka natin
inside. Kill the guards inside. Okay? Kiss in the base. Get ready. Yo, wait. Hold on. Yo, everyone step up.
Yo, step up.
Go deep. In the middle. Southwest deep. 5,
Not-
4,
left,
3,
left,
2,
left,
1. Middle now.
in front, and spread out.
Listen, spread inside now.
Spread inside.
Get out of middle, okay? Yo, listen, the main caller is Mark, okay? They're going northeast side, careful. Spread.
Yo,
I'm in the
out.
middle, boys. I'm in the middle. 12 seconds, we're gonna engage. We're gonna do 2 engages here.
Yo, keep
2 engages here,
peeling.
careful. Main caller looking
Yeah, they're
northwest.
looking,
Main caller looking northwest. Ready defenses,
north,
okay? Yo, listen, my party only.
Not yet,
Inside.
not yet.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Left,
My party only.
Left.
Now everyone spread. Full defend inside. Okay? Yo, get ready. Step up east side. By the
Yo,
southeast.
spread out,
By the wall
spread out
southeast.
lang.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall southeast now. Everything. Now listen. Spread.
Yo,
Now,
they're
spread now,
looking,
spread now.
they're looking.
Careful middle. Careful. Yo, careful on the choke. Careful on the choke, boys. Careful on the choke, okay? Yo, Marlica, everyone, my party walk north now. My party
They're
party
looking,
on the chest.
they're looking.
5,
They're
4,
looking.
3, 2, 1 on the chest. My party. Oh, you got GA. Now spread.
Not yet.
Spread. Ready defense inside. Defend inside.
Come on, stairs.
Everything in the middle.
East,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Middle now. Okay,
Yo,
nice.
spread out lang,
Yo, listen, we do 2 engages. We do one engage. Okay. Q's and W's inside. Yo, careful. Spread.
Yo, spread out.
Okay, spread and Q's and W's inside.
They have
Careful
engagement,
defend west side. Heal up. Everyone get ready, okay? Yo, everyone look at the chest. North side. Get ready. Defense north side. Defense heal me north side. Everything get ready. North side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side now. Delete this north side. Good job. Come south. Spread south. Spread. Careful southwest, okay? Yo, careful west side, boys. Careful west side, okay?
Gear fast.
Nice, heal up. There's a lot of them south side, ah. Ready, defend west side. You 2 clumped up, boys. 2 clumped up. Okay, get ready. Yo,
Bomb squad
hold on.
northeast,
Everyone get ready. Marika, look at north side. Wait. Hold on. In middle. Southwest. Wait. Just hold first. And J, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. J now. Everything.
Envy na lang, take envy.
Now spread. Yo, spread. Okay, spread. Heal up. They're looking middle. Spread. Okay. Ready, defenses middle. WPZ looking. Defense southwest. Heal up. Okay. Yo, wait. I need to come north first. Okay, listen. Come north a bit. Defense on me. Heal me.
Pika bomb squad dropping.
Okay. Come north. Okay,
Northwest sa Pika bomb
Come
squad.
northeast side. Yeah, come northeast side. Yo, everyone get ready, okay? Southwest uphill, okay? Just wait. Ready defenses, ready defenses. Southwest shallow. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1, headbutt. Heal me. Yo, guys.